Hi students, welcome again in chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. In this video I am going to explain the NCERT exemplar problem of the chapter. Hope you will like the session. If you are going to watch it till end, you are going to have grasp over all the important points of the chapters which you find difficult to remember. So let's start with question number 1. Maximum and minimum temperature displayed daily in the weather bulletin. It refers to highest temperature and lowest night temperature. Highest day temperature and lowest night temperature. Okay, because this only we see in newspaper or in the live weather bulletins. Okay, so the question is a very common sense question. Question number 2. Out of the given definitions, which is the most appropriate definition of the climate? You know, the definition of climate is the average pattern of the many years, say like 25 years. So option number B must be correct. On the other hand, weather keep on fluctuating. Okay, so climate is the factor which we can predict for a particular place. So question number 3, which of the following briefly describes the desert climate? In desert, the climate is very hot and it is very dry, so your option number C must be correct. Paheli went to a wildlife sanctuary and there she saw dense vegetation of the trees, shrubs, herbs and also variety of animals like monkey, birds, elephants, snakes, frogs, etc. The most likely location of these sanctuaries. See, all these animals are tropical region animals, so your option number B is correct. Okay, now question number 5. Given below are some adaptive features of the animal. Now you see layer of fat under the skin. This is adaptive feature of polar bear. And long curved and sharp claws, same, it is for polar bear. Thick white fur, this feature is for polar bear, but the slippery white seems to be the odd one. So 1, 2 and 4, your option number D must be correct. Okay, so question number 6, which is the following statement is incorrect for penguins? Penguins huddle together, they have webbed feet, they have streamlined body, they cannot swim. This option is wrong. So your option number B is the incorrect statement. And now coming to question number 7. Read the following environmental condition of the tropical rainforest. Hot and humid climate, yes. Abundant rainfall, yes. Abundant light and moisture, this is also correct. But unequal length of the day and night, dear students, let me tell you that in the tropical rainforest the length of day and night is equal. So your option number 1, 3 and 4 are correct, so your option number C is the correct answer. Now coming to question number 8. Coldest region on the earth is very easy, polar region. Question number 9. Choose the odd one from the following options. Thick layer of fat under the skin, this is the feature of polar bear. White fur, this is again adaptive feature of polar bear. White and large feet with sharp claws, this is also for polar bears, but the long grasping tail is the adaptive feature of tropical rainforest animal like monkeys. Okay, so your option number this one, option number this C was the odd one, odd feature. Now question number 10. A fish dies when taken out of the water, whereas a wall lizard will die if kept under water. Mention the term used to describe such abilities that allow fish and lizard to survive in their respective habitat. So the technical term which is used to describe the ability of animals to survive in particular environment, that term is called adaptation. Question number 11. Give the one example of an animal that can live both in water and on land. Yes, answer is frog. The frog comes under the amphibians. Okay, so all the amphibians including frog can survive both in water and on land. Question number 12. State whether the following statement are true or false. Correct the false statement. 12 का A. It is easy to predict weather rather than climate. No, it is easy to predict climate but not weather, because weather keep on fluctuating. Okay, So part B, since very few prey are available, polar bear does not need to have strong smell. It needs to have strong smell, man. This is again false. Because if the prey are less, then it becomes more important to have strong sense of smell. Okay. So question number 12, part C. Penguins stick together to fight cold polar climate. Yes, this is correct, and this process is called huddling. Question number 12D. Tropical rainforests are cool, humid. No, tropical are not cool, humid. It is a hot, humid. So I have corrected the statement. Question number 13. Unscramble the following words from the hint given. Weather, climate in a particular region over a period of time is called climate. Coldest region of the earth is polar. Instrument used to measure the temperature is thermometer. And feature of weather, humidity. It becomes humidity. So I got the words. Question number 14. Match the columns. Red-eyed frog, sticky pads, tiger, sensitive hearing, long-tailed macaw, stream, silver white man, and penguins have streamlined body. So I hope you got the point. 15. Why it is difficult to predict the weather of a place while it is easy to predict its climate. Actually, what happens, weather is a complex phenomenon in which keep on fluctuating on a short period of time, and thus it is difficult to predict. But it is easier to predict the climate because it is the average weather pattern taken over a long period of time, and the time of period is about 25 years. So it is easier to predict. Now coming to next question. Name the two animals that live in polar regions. Polar bear, penguin, and reindeer. Okay, even the musk oxen is also found in the polar region. And tropical rainforest, monkey, elephant, tiger, red-eyed frog, and so many. Okay. Question number 17. Why write two adaptive features of polar bear which help in keeping it warm. See, polar bear has double layered fur. It has fat under the skin which help it to keep its body warm. Question number 18. Mention the two adaptive features of the penguin that help in swimming. Penguin has streamlined body, helps to swim, has webbed feet, again helps to swim. Question number 19. Difference between weather and climate. Weather keeps on fluctuating, it keeps on changing, and climate is easier to predict and it is stable. Humidity and rainfall. What is humidity? Humidity actually is the wetness of a place due to the amount of moisture present in the atmosphere, while the rainfall is the droplet of the rainwater which falls during rain. And next is the climate of polar region and tropical rainforest. Polar region temperature is very low, it is very cold. Okay. And tropical rainforest, in tropical rainforest it is hot and humid climatic condition is there. Now maximum and minimum temperature of the day, it indicates highest and lowest temperature respectively for a particular day. Question number 20. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph given below. Weather of a place is day-to-day condition of atmosphere with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed at that place, whereas climate is average weather pattern taken over many years. Question number 21. Given below is the list of climatic condition and some example of the animal. We have to read it carefully and we have to place the items in the relevant column given below. So here you see tropical rainforest. So tropical rainforest, in tropical rainforest monkey is found, and Assam is the tropical rainforest. Sun, hot and humid climate is there, and day and night are almost equal in length throughout the year in appear in tropical rainforest. And Western Ghat, yes, Western Ghat is tropical rainforest area. Now let's come to column number B, which is polar region. In polar region, penguin is found, reindeer is found, and Greenland is in tropic polar regions, and sun rays does not rise for 6 months, and winter temperature, it can reach around minus 37 degrees Celsius also. So the question was very interesting. So this was all about NCERT exemplar problem of chapter number 7. I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll keep bringing such videos in future also. You please like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends, and keep watching the videos. Wish you all the best. Till then, keep rocking. Bye bye. Thank you.